Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Evangeline Giron, an enrolled agent, and the founder and principal consultant of Evangeline Giron Incorporated, which is based in Los Angeles. I am authorized by the IRS to represent taxpayers in all U.S. states. My goal is to let ordinary people understand taxes and finances in the most easy-to-understand manner. I believe that an empowered audience could make better decisions to save on taxes. Please don't forget to subscribe. This time we're going to talk about IRS Form 8379, Injured Spouse Allocation. If you're one of the 50,000 Americans who did not receive any refunds due to you because your spouse owes child support, student loan, or back taxes, you still have a chance to get your fair share. All you have to do is submit IRS Form 8379, Injured Spouse Allocation. Injured here means the spouse negatively impacted, who does not owe the debt. If spouses file a joint tax return and a refund is applied to one spouse's past due debts, the injured spouse can file Form 8379 to get his or her share of the refund. These obligations might include past due federal tax, state tax, child support, or student loan. The Department of Treasury is authorized to take a taxpayer's refund. An injured spouse form can be filed with a joint tax return, amended joint tax return, or afterward by itself. An injured spouse form can be filed with a joint tax return, amended joint tax return, or afterward by itself. If you live in a community property state, the rules may differ. The IRS uses laws in these states to determine if and how much an injured spouse is entitled to. To be eligible to file Form 8379, an injured spouse must have reported income included in the joint return in which a refund was garnished. An injured spouse form is only filed with Form 1040X, amended U.S. individual income tax return, if a spouse is amending an original return to claim a joint refund. Once you file an 8379 form, the IRS will review it to determine whether you are eligible for injured spouse relief, and if so, how much. Under normal situations, it takes the IRS about 14 weeks to process an injured spouse form if you file a paper version with a joint return, and 11 weeks if you file it electronically. It could be longer with the pandemic. Please leave your comments or questions below, and don't forget to subscribe.